So as you can see from back late in 2023, the stock was on fire. It was really moving well. You can see that from here with the candles being light blue, literally for the full month of November and December. Faltered a little bit here, corrected back down to some moving averages, which we often see after a big run like this. Came back down to this 20-day, or the 50-day and the 14-day McGinley moving average here. And in the meantime, the candles turn from about a strong bullish, which is light blue, to a modestly bullish or cautiously bullish, and all the way down to a purple, or a looked like it was stock was ready to roll over. But we gave it the benefit of the doubt. We let it bounce off the moving averages, and it did. And we can see now the candles have moved from purple all the way up to amber color, teal, and right back to blue again. So some would say that it's showing the qualities of a double top over here. I guess you could say that if it breaks down below these other moving averages over here, but that is a far way to go to get down to breaking this trend. So I think that more likely the stock is in for a short-term rest over here, and it's going to make a move past this 184, 185 level, which was the highs last week. We see the indicators down below. MACD is on a buy signal. We see stochastics are still overbought and embedded right now, and we can see what happens when the stochastics get embedded here, right? So when they get above the 70% level on the stochastics, and it stays up there, it means that any dip is being bought. And you can see as the stock was moving up in November and December with this really strong trend from about 75 all the way up to about 180. More than a 100% gain in about 2 months was pretty impressive. Any dip that was happening during the day, it's hard to see it on the chart here, but any dip that was happening during the day was being bought, as the stochastic was telling you here. Shaken money flow at the bottom over here is still positive here. It's come off a little bit, as I suspect after last week's earnings and that nice run from 109 all the way up to 185 or 187. The stock was due to take a little bit of a breather, so money was coming off the table, not a problem. And we do see some good strong volume bars down over here as well. So all in all, I think Coinbase is a strong name here. It's got really great technicals. Obviously, the fundamentals are working well too. And we can see, let's look back at the weekly chart here for a moment. And you can see the all-time high comes in at around 350 to 370. So if this and let's look, taking a look at this weekly chart, very, very strong weekly chart as well too. So and we can certainly see some upside here. We get another higher high and higher low, and this week close above like 185 to 188. Perhaps we got some room at least to get back up to this $330 level. That's a long way to go, but of course, you know, this is being driven by Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin remains solid and strong, we can certainly see Coinbase doing just as well. So that's Coinbase, COIN is the symbol. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.